So it's kind of hard to see on the video there, but all I did was got my screwdriver in the top there, opened it up, which widened that gap there, and then pulled that lever back. So that now allows us to have a bit of movement on that wiring loom. It'd be nice to get this out of the way as well. So you can see the little grey tab there. That tab needs to come out and then can be used as a lever to pull the whole thing out. So let me get the screwdriver in. There you go, that's how you get it out. Right, now that tab's out, you just put your finger on there, squeeze it like that, start to pull, give it a little bit of encouragement, not too much, so you might break something, and away it comes. That's it. Now you can get an oil filter drain tool which goes into there and it drains all the oil out of the filter before you take the filter off, which is a fabulous piece of kit. I'm told if you put a screwdriver in there it has the same effect, but I'm going to get 32mm socket on that and stick it in there, noting it's on the second row in. Pull it out. Use metal filters. There we go. Fresh oil. So there it is. That's tucked up, that's fine. Hey, I really hope this video is helpful. If it is, do please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. Back to the video. Release the bungee. Stick this one back in here. Push that grey tab in.